Welcome back to AR Gossip. Real name Keanu Charles Reeves. Date of birth September 2, 1964. Zodiac sign Virgo. Place of birth Beirut, Lebanon. Nationality Canadian. Height 6'1". Profession actor, producer, director, and musician. Early life Reeves was born in Beirut, Lebanon, to an English mother and American father. His family moved to Toronto, Canada, when Reeves was a young child. Reeves has a diverse background, with his father having Hawaiian and Chinese descent, his mother being of English and Portuguese descent. He attended several schools growing up, but Reeves struggled with academics due to his dyslexia. Despite this, he pursued a passion for acting from an early age, which eventually led him to attend the prestigious De La Salle College in Toronto. Career beginning Reeves' career began in the mid 1980s when he appeared in a number of commercial TV shows and small roles in film. His breakthrough role came in 1986 when he starred in the film River's Edge, which gave him wide recognition for his dramatic ability. His fame skyrocketed with the 1994 action film Speed, where he starred as Officer Jack. This role established him as an action star, and he continued to cement this status with iconic films such as The Matrix and John Wick. Notable film Speed 1994, The Matrix Trilogy 1999 to 2003, John Wick series 2014 to present, Constantine 2005, The Lake House 2006. Awards and recognition MTV Movie Plus TV Awards, Teen Choice Awards, Saturn Award, Hollywood Walk of Fame star, Brand Ambassadorship. In addition to his acting career, Reeves has ventured into other business and brand ambassador roles. He has worked with high-profile brands such as Rolex and has been involved in a variety of charity work. Reeves is also the co-owner of the motorcycle company ARC Motorcycle Company, which design and manufacture high-end custom motorcycles. Love life and relationship Reeves' love life has been relatively private, which has led to a bit of mystery around his romantic relationship. Some of the key details about his love life include Jennifer. Reeves had a publicly relationship with actress and assistant Jennifer. The couple's relationship was married by the tragic death of their child in 1999, and they broke up shortly after. Jennifer later died in a car accident in 2001. Reeves has been linked to several other women, but he is known for maintaining a low profile regarding his personal life. In recent years, he has been in a relationship with Alexandra Grant, an artist with whom he has been spotted publicly and who he has collaborated with on various art projects. Philanthropy Reeves is widely known for his philanthropic work, and he has quietly donated millions to children's hospital, cancer research, and other charitable causes. He reportedly donated a significant portion of his earnings from the Matrix series to the special effect and costume team behind the film, showing his generosity behind the scenes. Subscribe for more amazing videos.